Welcome back to Debt-Free Dreams. Whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned investor, the apps you use can make or break your success in the crypto market. The right tools can help you track your portfolio, analyze markets, trade efficiently, and even stay compliant with taxes. In this video, I'll share the best crypto apps for 2025, tailored for every kind of user, whether you're into trading, investing, or managing your finances. I'll review tools like Koinly, TradingView, Glassnode, TokenTax, and Koinly, explaining how they can simplify your crypto journey and give you an edge. Stick around for the full list, and by the end of this video, you'll know which apps you need to optimize your crypto strategy. Look in the description below for links to helpful tools I mention. Part 1. Why you need the right crypto apps. Crypto is fast-paced, and managing your investments without the right apps can be overwhelming. Here's what the best crypto apps can help you with. 1. Tracking your portfolio. Keep an overview of all your assets across exchanges and wallets. 2. Analyzing the market. Make smarter trading decisions with real-time data. 3. Simplifying taxes. Stay compliant with crypto tax laws without the headache. The apps I'm about to share will cover all these areas and more, ensuring you're prepared for the dynamic crypto market. Part 2. Best apps for portfolio tracking. Koinly. Koinly is one of the best portfolio tracking apps for crypto investors. It connects with over 300 exchanges and wallets, giving you a complete picture of your holdings. Set price alerts, track profits and losses, and monitor your portfolio performance in real time. Perfect for both beginners and advanced users. Delta offers a sleek interface for tracking your crypto and traditional investments. Sync your portfolios automatically or manually input your trades. Get insights into your asset allocation and performance trends. Blockfolio. FTX. Blockfolio is a great option for traders who want integrated portfolio tracking and price updates. It includes news updates for your tracked tokens and personalized notifications. Part 3. Best apps for market analysis and trading. TradingView. TradingView is the ultimate app for market analysis and technical charting. Use it for detailed charts, trend analysis, and spotting potential breakouts. Perfect for traders who rely on technical indicators and patterns. Pro tip: customize alerts to stay on top of market movements 24/7. Binance is not just an exchange, but also a powerful app for trading and market analysis. Trade hundreds of cryptocurrencies, use advanced trading tools, and even stake tokens. Integrated features like price alerts and in-app charts make it user-friendly. Coinbase. Coinbase is ideal for beginners looking for a simple app to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. It's easy to use, offers educational rewards, and integrates with its pro version for more advanced trading. Part 4. Best apps for on-chain analysis. Glassnode. Glassnode is the go-to app for analyzing blockchain data. Use it to track wallet activity, token flows, and key on-chain metrics. Perfect for investors wanting deeper insights into market behavior. Pro tip: Glassnode's free tier provides valuable data, but their premium features are worth it for serious traders. Messari offers detailed reports and metrics for analyzing the crypto market. Access research reports and compare blockchain protocols with ease. Part 5. Best apps for tax management. TokenTax. TokenTax simplifies crypto tax reporting by connecting directly to your wallets and exchanges. It auto-generates tax reports and helps you stay compliant with local regulations. Koinly. Koinly is another excellent app for managing crypto taxes. It calculates capital gains, tracks airdrops, and even integrates with tax software. Pro tip: use Koinly throughout the year, not just at tax time, to stay organized and reduce stress. Zenledger offers crypto tax automation and accounting features. It's perfect for high-frequency traders or anyone with a complex portfolio. Part 6. Best wallet apps for security. LedgerLive. LedgerLive integrates with Ledger hardware wallets, offering unmatched security for your funds. Track and manage your assets while keeping private keys offline. MetaMask is one of the most popular wallets for Ethereum and other EVM-compatible blockchains. Use it to interact with DeFi platforms and store NFTs. Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet is a mobile wallet that supports multiple blockchains. It's beginner-friendly and perfect for staking directly from your phone. Part 7. 3 bonus tips to maximize crypto apps. 1. Sync your apps. Use CoinStats for tracking, TradingView for analysis, and Koinly for taxes to streamline your workflow. 2. Secure your assets. Always pair wallet apps like MetaMask with hardware wallets like Ledger. 3. Stay informed. Follow crypto news and updates directly from apps like Blockfolio and Binance. Having the right apps is crucial for staying ahead in the crypto market. Whether you need portfolio tracking, market analysis, or tax management, the apps I've shared today, like CoinStats, TradingView, and Koinly, cover everything you need. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check the description below for links to these powerful tools and resources to supercharge your crypto journey. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more crypto tips and reviews.